YouTube. I know I ain't made a video in a minute. I've just been busy with other things. I'm just now getting back into the car audio part of everything again. Yeah. Got some ground over there. Oh yeah, I took all the music, all the speakers out of the Blazer, and everything is gonna go into my new Tahoe. Well, not really new, but it's new to me. I've done a lot to this thing already, just haven't made videos about it. I mean, I've done like the cosmetics and stuff, like these little side mirror covers, chrome in the door handles, the halo projector headlights with LEDs on the bottom. I just ordered HIDs. Alright, here's what's going on with the HIDs. I'm getting 8K high, 8K low, an LED amber blinker light or turning signal light, a blue LED daylight for that, and then 8K fog light. And then for the rear, I've already changed the brake lights, and I'm getting a blue LED reverse backup light. Changed the bow tie. That I just bought the third LED brake light. It's gonna look exactly like that with a clear plastic cover, but then the black background or the black back and LEDs up there. That's on the way. I did the exhaust, Gibson split rear exhaust. Installed it myself. Got a cold air intake, K&N cold air intake, a jet, throttle body spacer. I still gotta do, let's see, MagnaFlow, Free Flow, Cadillac converters, JBA headers, and then once that's done, I'm gonna get the Black Bear custom tune. Haven't done much to the inside. That's gonna go. That came with it. This thing sucks. I have no clue what this is. I don't even know what this thing is. But I think I might, I don't know, I think I might stick with Alpine. Either that or Pioneer. Well, whatever, I don't know. I'm just so used to Alpine. I might just stick with Alpine and get like a double-din Alpine head unit. When I first got it, I only had one working speaker, which was that one. So obviously, you know, me and being car audio, I upgraded that. Right now I got the Type R's. Excuse the pinky. I had the Type R's in there right now for the components. So I got all Type R's right now. And what I'm doing now is upgrading my electrical. I'll show you what's underneath the hood. I've already changed out the battery to a D3400 and added the big three already. As you can see, this fat wire here and this fat wire here. And then yesterday I just put this in, this D3100. Damn, you can see that. This fat wire here and this fat wire here, all one out. Then I'm going to have the 2-aught wire you see that's laying down in there. It's going to go run to the back where I drilled 2 1-inch holes. You know what? Shit. This fucking thing. Move this back. Drilled 2 holes about right here. See that? Yeah, I'm fingering my truck. So it's gonna come out through here, and then I got 2 holes right here where it's gonna pop up through. So it's gonna go from here and then pop up through here. And it's going to hook up to, since I don't have any subwoofers, I'm gonna use my Crescendo Audio 1000 C4, excuse me. And it's gonna hook up to these bad sons of bitches right now. These are gonna replace my Type R's. I mean, the Type R's are nice, pretty good, decent mid bass, but they are not that loud. Even when I had them on the 1000 C4 and the Blazer, they weren't that loud. And I've been hearing all these claims about these Seleniums being extremely loud. Look at that fucking magnet, Jesus Christ. Everybody's been saying that these things are ungodly loud and with a ton of mid bass, so this is gonna have to do for now until I get something thought up about the Blazer, or not the Blazer, but the Tahoe, getting beat back in there. This is just the start of it. Right now, I'm about to figure out how the length I'm gonna do it. I know where it's gonna re-ran to, and then I gotta start soldering. So I gotta do that. Got my soldering and then my fucking torch over there. So I'm about to get started on that. And then later on, I gotta upgrade my alternator. I still got all four of my high output alternators. So the thing about these new alternators from the, I think, 2005 and up Tahoes, they have 2 pins. Mine have 4, so I've got to get this kit where you can change it from 4 to 2 pin. Excuse the pinky again. Let me just switch hands. So I'm going to do that. It's going to cost about $50, and I got a tutorial on YouTube how to do it. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use my 300 amp alt soon. Just got to order it and then obviously convert it. Well, that's what I got so far. It's a work in progress, but man, it's pretty fun to do this thing all over again. This time I'm going to do everything right. Oh yeah, and the rims, whew, man, I'm going to have to wait till tax season comes around again. The rims I want to get, I'm going to try to get some 28-inch rims, chrome rims for now, and then maybe when I get another paint job, I'll get them painted black on chrome. But I want to go with 28s. It's not going to sit high. It's not going to be, you know, a nasty looking vehicle. I'm going to have it lowered on 28s to make it look nice. And I'm thinking about getting rid of this side step up. I don't know yet. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but then it doesn't really look too good. My girlfriend's short, so she needs it. I don't know, I might just leave it. Well, anyways, let me know what you guys think. Oh, and I'm thinking about debadging this. Yeah, it's an LS. You know, I'm poor, so I gotta get the basic model, plus out all the bass is gonna kill it. Why would you get like a up-class model and then kill it with bass? Doesn't make any sense to me. So, fuck. Yeah. I'm gonna debadge that. You might debadge that and then get this crap here taken off. I don't like that. Some random bar on the fucking side of the vehicle. Really? Some just random bar. Side skirt. I'm taking that shit off. Anyway, that's all I got. Let me know what you guys think of the new whip coming from this 1997 Chevy S10 Blazer. I think this is an LS as well. Yep. I got that back in high school when I was 18. Been driving it all the way up until the age of 24. It was about time I got a new vehicle. Everything still works. It's just the tranny is about to go probably. It's only gonna cost me $500 to get it rebuilt, but You know, I'm lazy. I don't want to do all that shit right now. Yeah, I might keep it and just make it a project car. I might just put some more bass in it, but I don't know. Who knows? Right now, I'm just trying to work on the Tahoe. Alright, guys. Later.